What is up, y'all, and welcome to another live trading session. Today is Tuesday, April 21st, so without further ado, let's get into it. Shit, dude, we've just been rallying up, bro. No retracements, bro. No retracements. Finally swept all-time highs with a bearish SMT. Wow. Obviously, we got to be bullish today, as always. Bullish as always with all-time highs. But I'm trying to look for our key levels. I mean, we have a huge 4-hour rejection block here, so this could definitely be something worth tuning into as well. And then we're inside a 1-hour fair value gap right now. But it honestly seems like we're not even getting much reaction. We're just going to bleed right through it. Let's see though. Yes is not an hourly fair value gap and doesn't have an hourly fair value. Yes just has a bunch of low resistance liquidity. Oh, yes does have an hourly gap. Okay. My apologies. Have we swept it before? No, we haven't. We currently haven't swept it yet. It's equal lows too. That's concerning. 15-minute gaps. I guess ES is kind of reacting out of this one, but you have equal lows at this one. No, I'd want to see ES come down and take this because that's sketchy for sure. The fact that ES created equal lows with these lows. ES can take this hourly and Q. Just a low resistance leading up to this rejection block. And we don't really have anything below. Kind of a weird day today. Let's just see where the market kind of reacts. I like that we're getting a retracement though. I like that we're getting that retracement though. There it is. Alright, so ES just tapped into our Q level now. And Q is giving us a little bit of a stop hunt on the lower time frame. Dude, are we serious? I low-key would have been down for longs, but this is our fucking entry, bro. A 15-second. And the worst part is this is actually going to play out, bro. This is a good setup. Oh, well. I can't take it. I don't trade 15-second. Down. 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 Oh, there we go. Alright, guys, I think I'm going to go long here if we can. Oh, my gosh, bro. Are we serious? No, bro. Give me a gap that isn't a 15-second, dog. Bro. Give me a gap that isn't a 15-second, please. Clearly this SMT doesn't really matter for us. Actually, like not a bad CISD entry right here. What's your comment on that 1-minute barcode? I just think, oh yeah, the 1 minute does look bad actually. You can see the 1 minute. I've been looking at the 30-second. Loki thought that this CISD entry wasn't even horrible. Right here. It's a little discretionary play, but clearly would have worked. Jeez. I was right about that. Anyways, we're inside the 5-minute now. I'm still bullish. I'm still long, so let's just see. I'd love to go down and make a new internal on either of the indexes. I don't know if that's going to happen, to be honest, because we already got this internal SMT supporting it. So I don't know. Maybe we see a gap get respected and use a lower time frame gap as our key level. I don't know. We'll see. Dude, ES is about to invert this gap, bro. Let me take this trade on ES, bro. Please. Good too. I'm not loving the market conditions. I'm so clearly bullish, but I don't know I don't know how to enter this market. I don't know how to get involved because it's so strange. NQ's lagging inside this 5 minute. ES is about to invert this 5 minute with a change in state of delivery, with liquidity leading up to this new unmitigated 5 minute. Like, the S&P inverted this 5 minute with clear displacement. NQ is waking CE of the gap and looks like it's going to go down. Could the inverse of the 5 minute be an entry trigger? Technically, yes. However, ES is now inside a 30-minute gap. So, to be honest, I might just wait till 10 a.m., right? 7 o'clock my time. That's in 5 minutes when the new 4-hour opens. Because I just want to confirm that ES is actually going to inverse this 30-minute gap to the upside. That would help out our bias a lot. Of course, yes, the 5 minute could be an entry trigger. I really don't like how slow the 5 minute is. And just because of that, I probably won't use the 5 minute as an entry trigger at 10 a.m. However, have we opened up any? No, we haven't. Okay, I don't know. We're going to just have to kind of play it by ear here. I was going to say maybe we could use a 3-minute gap as like a support level or even a 4-minute gap, but we've literally opened nothing. So I think at this point, I'm waiting for a retracement back into this 5-minute fair value gap with manipulation, and then I'll take a long. Because I think also at this point, ES is too overextended. Like, you know, we've just been getting straight pull, like straight displacement. So we could get some sort of pullback after inverting this 30-minute gap. I don't want us to start respecting this 30-minute gap. After we invert it, if we get some sort of pullback, that would be good. Well, let's see if this 5-minute gap, let's see if this 5-minute gap is going to beat the 30-minute. If the 30-minute gives us a reaction into the 5, and then the 5 clearly shows that we're beating the 30, then the day is not over. The day is definitely not over. The 30 could easily just displace through the 5, and we could still be bearish. However, I personally think that this 30 will give us a reaction where we'll start to chop down to this 5, manipulate, and then go. I really wanted a 15-second from this internal SMT right here. I might have even taken it, bro, low-key. This one. But by the time it inverted, I was like, hell no. And low-key, this would have been hella close to stop rating me. Probably would have got break even here too. Dude, are we serious? No 5-minute gap? Bruh. I know we took it on ES, but like, are we for real, bro? This has actually got to be the most annoying thing of all time, bro. Just watching all your DOLs get taken with no entry. At this point, I just want a long. Yeah, you guys want me to play some bangers for you while we wait? Just listen to some bangers. Not this song. This song's overplayed. Okay, I hear it at every club. Ready?
She took my heart and left me lonely. I think broken.
This is actually not even horrible. I think the only risk about this is that it's counter trend, but I think that that's warranted. You would be break even now, by the way, down to this 5 minute. I think the only problem with this trade is that it's just counter trend. And like, to be honest with y'all, like I just want to be longing today. Like I got a fresh set. I got 3 Lucid flexes. Like I don't want to risk this trade just to catch like 50 points. I want to like long and take a higher RR trade, possibly back up to all-time highs and just kind of like let it run like this. So fresh out east Atlanta with none. Oh, dude, no way we disrespect the 15-minute, bro. All right, there's the 5. Finally, our first medium time frame retracement of the day. Would you believe it? It is somewhat of a high resistance high because it's, I guess, not really on NQ other than the SMT, but it's just lagging. ES is lagging inside this 5-minute gap, this bearish 5. But I think if you were to compare the 2 highs, right, this one versus this one, dude, like this one is way more protected than this is. Reacting on the hourly.
Order filled.
Did we sweep the high on ES? No. We were just so bullish today, it felt wrong not to get involved in the market in a bull sense. Like, whoa.
What the fuck? Are you fucking stupid?
Yeah. I'm actually not gonna go break even here, guys. The one problem with the full port funded strat is that the one trade that you full port your funded on is so scary. Like, I'm gonna keep it a buck with you.
Sure.
I feel emotions right now, guys. Like, I feel emotion. I'm not doing anything because of it, but I feel emotion.
Reverse your position. Reverse your.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm cooked here, fellas. It's over.
I don't know, maybe the 6th SMT is gonna save you.
Bro, oh my
Holy
gosh.
shit.
Oh my gosh, bro. Bro. Are we serious? I'm break even. Oh, what the fuck? I didn't even get to move my stop up, bro. Alright, well, I don't really know what to do here, guys. I got so happy for I
I
got
feel
so happy
awkward.
for a second. It hit my break-even point, and then I didn't even get to move my stop up.
Yeah.
I guess we got a new break-even point. Fuck.
Order filled.
Finally. Oh my gosh. What sucks is that this actually could have been a break-even trade, bro. I don't know if I have the mental capacity to take another trade today, guys. That was pretty tragic, I'm not gonna lie. Great displacement, great bodies, great candles. We manipulate into a 5-minute gap, get a clear inversion with displacement. I actually took the risk of not going break even at the 3-minute gap, and the reasoning as to why I took that risk is just because of my overall conviction in the trade. And I actually wouldn't have paid the price if I was able to go break even.